In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to Aweber emails. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to fine-tune your images so they look great and work the way you want. Start by opening your browser and searching for Aweber. Click the official Aweber website in the results. On the home page, choose Sign In and log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, head to Automation and then select Workflows. This is where your automated sequences live. Pick the workflow you want to edit. If you're creating a new message in that workflow, click the plus icon and choose Send Message. If you already have a message you want to update, click that existing message to open the editor. Inside the message editor, look to the left-hand sidebar for the image block. Click and drag the image block into your email where you want the picture to appear. A clear placement now will save you layout tweaks later. On the right-hand menu, click Upload Image to choose a file from your computer. Remember, the maximum file size is 10 MB. JPEG and PNG files typically work best, and smaller optimized files help emails load faster for your subscribers. If you've uploaded images before, you can click Image Gallery to reuse existing assets and keep your branding consistent. With the image placed, the image menu on the right gives you control over how it behaves and appears. Add an image link by entering a URL if you want the image to be clickable, perfect for product shots, banners, or calls to action. Fill in the alt text field with a short, descriptive sentence that explains the image. This helps subscribers who have images turned off and support screen readers for accessibility. Adjust alignment to left, center, or right to fit your design. Centering is a safe choice for most layouts, while left or right alignment can work well alongside text. For sizing, you can click and drag the arrow at the lower right corner of the image for a quick manual resize. If you prefer presets, choose Thumbnail, Optimized, set to a 590 pixel width for a reliable fit in most templates, or Original if you need the full-size version. Optimized is a great default for balancing clarity and performance. When you're satisfied, click Save to keep working or Save and exit to return to your workflow. Back on the workflow screen, click Publish to make your changes live. That's it. Your images are now part of your Aweber email and ready to delight your subscribers.